Welcome to Promat Australia. We pride ourselves on being the leading experts in passive fire protection, supplying the widest range of passive systems in Australia. Our extensive technical knowledge and international experience allows our national sales and distribution network to provide passive fire solutions to best meet your building requirements. Our manufacturing and research facilities based in our Australian headquarters, along with our globally recognised research and development program, contribute to positioning us as the leading industry expert. The PROMASHIELD is an innovative solution for achieving insulation criteria on building surfaces, such as metal pipes, cables and cable trays, where they penetrate fire-rated substrates. This patented solution uses the concept of convection to continually cool the surface by allowing cold air to enter at the bottom of the system, while hot air rises and escapes through the top. This cooling effect means that the PROMASHIELD can be significantly shorter than equivalent wrap products. The PROMASHIELD can be applied to most substrates, including PROMASEAL bulkhead, PROMASEAL mortar, and concrete slabs. The addition of extender plates means that multiple surfaces can be protected in the one PROMASHIELD enclosure. Each PROMASHIELD comes packaged with two halves with integrated foam inserts and two brackets. The foam inserts have perforated sections to suit various standard pipe sizes. To install the PROMASHIELD, first, install your selected Promat penetration seal system in accordance with the tested system, including applying sealant around surface penetration. For this installation, we are using the PROMASEAL bulkhead sealer system. Select the correct PROMASHIELD based on size of surface being protected. Where multiple surfaces are being protected, the PROMASHIELD size should be based on the largest surface being protected. Remove cutout from foam insert to accommodate pipe dimension being used. Slide the fixing bracket onto the bottom lip of the PROMASHIELD. Push the two PROMASHIELD halves together, ensuring they click into place. A joining tool may be used. To fasten the PROMASHIELD, drill pigtail screws through the hole in each bracket and fasten into the PROMASEAL bulkhead bat. The PROMASHIELD is cutting-edge innovative fire protection technology for insulation on surfaces with no wrapping, strapping or taping. Its unique retrofit design is guaranteed to have significant on-site installation time and cost saving, suitable for pipe surfaces up to 200 mm. Side-by-side testing has shown that the temperatures on a metal pipe are on average 40 degrees cooler than a pipe protected with a wrap system of a longer length. Our technical support and sales team across the nation can assist with creating a passive fire solution to meet your individual building requirements. We specialise in tailoring our penetration systems to ensure that you save time and money, offering a one-stop shop system solution to complex passive fire protection issues. Contact our Promat Australia team for a no-obligation discussion or technical advice for your next project.